Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see the system, Indian system and Indian international system of numbers with exercise 1.1 of class 6th mathematics. So we all know from previous classes Indian system containing hundredth, thousandth, lakh, crore. So when we will begin with the left hand side, firstly we have in the hundred section ones, then tens, then hundred. In the thousand section, thousand, 10,000. In the lakh section, lakh, 10 lakh. In the crore section, crore and 10 crore. Now, where we need to put comma? Okay, you can simply see hundred section is ones, tens, hundred. So here our first arrow will come after completing the hundred section. Then thousand, 10,000. They both come together. So our next comma will come here. After completing 1,000, 10,000, our lakh and 10 lakh will come together. That's why our next comma will come here after completing lakh section. If we need much more, on that time crore and 10 crore will come in the same section. International system is containing hundredth of times. Here in the Indian system we have tens time, 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 crore, 10 kharab. This kind of manner is coming in the Indian system because it has only 10 times. But in the international system we have firstly 100 as it is, ones, tens, 100. Then 1,000 section which is having 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. यहाँ पर 10,000 तक नहीं होता, यहाँ पर कहाँ तक होता है 100,000 तक. It has 100 term. Okay. Now after that million is coming. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billion. So billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now this is we have 100, 1,000, million, billion. Now where we need to put comma? Firstly 100 section will go together, ones, tens, 100. This three part will go together because it has 100 section. Then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. All three are having 1,000. That's why all three ones, 100, 10,000, 100,000 will come together. After that we will put comma. Then million, 10 million, 100 million will come together. This process we will follow. You can simply see the main differentiation between Indian system and international system is in the Indian system we have 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 crore, 10 times. But in the international system we have 100th time, 100,000, 100 million, 100 billion. That's why in the international system we are doing the pairing of 3, 3, 3. 3 section 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But in the Indian system we are doing the pairing firstly 3 of which is ones, tens, 100. In the 1,000 section we are doing the pairing of 2, 1,000, 10,000. Then again 2, lakh, 10 lakh. Then again 2, crore, 10 crore. This manner we will follow. Now our topic is insert commas according to given system. We have few numbers, 7 numbers. In that we need to put comma. Here we have first system. Okay. So we have first number which is 3, 4, 603. इंडियन सिस्टम, ओके, ध्यान से, ones, tens, 100 together, it means here will come comma, and 4, 3 will go together. अब आगे तो कॉमा नहीं लगा सकते, here we can't put comma because here we have front, okay, so it will be 34,603. okay, firstly we will complete Indian system. okay, next number is 9784. again ones, tens, 100 comma, so that the number is 9784. comma, when we are putting the comma is giving us easy way to read a number. What I said, comma is giving us to read a number in easy way. Now next number is 83000067. 83000067. Simply we will begin with the 7, ones, tens, 100 comma, 1000, 10,000. Indian system we are doing, that's why 1000, 10,000 comma, lakh, 10 lakh comma. Now we can simply read the number 8 crore 30 lakh 67. Next number is 4377623. so that 4377623. so that simply we will begin with the 3. so ones, tens, 100 comma, 1000, 10,000 comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Simply we can read the number 43,77,623. Now try to do these 3 by yourself. okay, now international system we are doing, same number is there, but we have to put comma according to the international system. so that 34603, it means here we have 34603. international system, so that ones, tens, 100 together comma, 1000, 10,000. so same as it is. okay, now 9784, it will be also same as international system, 9784. now the main differentiation you can simply see in the next number, which is 83000067. simply we will begin with the 7, ones, tens, 100 comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comma. you can simply see I left it here 3 values, 3 digit, and million, 10 million. it means that our number is 83,067,000. next number is 4377,623. okay, so that we will begin with 3, ones, tens, 100 together, it will go together, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, it will go together, then million. so number is 4,377,000. we will call this 377 together, 377,623. okay, so try to do this 3 of Indian system and international system by yourself. Now we are going to begin exercise 1.1 of class 6th mathematics, which has first question is fill in the blanks. Simply you can see here we have 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. What does the question say? Question said 1 lakh. if we are converting 1 lakh as a number, so here we have 1 lakh, and question is asking 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000? How many 10,000? That's why here I am writing 10,000. You can simply see here we have 1 2 3 4 0. It means, and here we have 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 4 5. Simply for the understanding I am cutting 40 to 40. कितने जीरो बच गए? 1 0 बच गया. किसके साथ में? 1 के साथ में. So answer is 10,000. Same we will do here. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. 1 million, it means 1 million. Here we have 1 million which is having 6 zeros. Now here we have 100,000. So here we have 100,000. Simply you can see here we have 5 zeros. Here we have 6 zeros. So last 5 0 we will cut last 5 0. And how much is remaining? 10. 10. So our answer will be 10. Now one thing I am clearing you. You can simply see in the both side, left hand side and right hand side, we have the numbers. The front value is times of 1. You can simply see here we have 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So don't get confused. If 1 is there, that's why we are cutting last 0 with the last 0. Okay? Now, crore. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. 10 lakh means we will simply write the number name into the numerals. Okay? So here we have 10 lakh. Simply we will read the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 0. So last 6 0 we will cut with the last 6 0. And how much is remaining? 10. So that the answer is 10. Same when we will do here. Again we will get 1 crore is equal to dash million. 1 crore means this. And 1 million means how many times 0? 6 times. In the crore we have 7 zeros. In the million we have 6 zeros. So last 6 0 we will cut with the last 6 0. And here we have 10 which is remaining. Now the last one is 1 million. Simply we will write 1 million which is having 6 0. And here we will write 1 lakh. In the lakh we have 5 0. And in the million we have 6 0. It means how much is remaining? 10. Okay? By the coincidence, here we have all the answer is 10. बट ऐसा हर क्वेश्चन में नहीं होगा. हो सकता है आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कुछ अलग टाइप से पूछे जाए. ओके? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्लेस कॉमास अकॉर्डिंगली एंड राइट द न्यूमरल्स. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू पुट comma in the numerals and we have to write the number. As you can see, first I already done 73 lakh. So here we have 73 lakh, 75,000, 75,000, 307. It means we have number name. By reading the number name, we have to write number. Now next number is 9 crore. It means here we have 9 crore. Now 5 lakh. 5 lakh. So it will not come only 5. It will comes with 05. Okay? 5 lakh. 41. अब 41 के साथ में उन्होंने 1000 तो बोला नहीं है. It means 1000 की वैल्यूज क्या जाएगी? 00. और 100 में कुछ बोला क्या? नहीं बोला. It means 100 की प्लेस पे क्या जाएगा? 0. And at the end we will put 41. Next is 7 crore. Here we have 7 crore. Simply you can see crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, 0. Ones. You can simply see ones, tens, 100, comma, 10, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000 comma lakh, 10 lakh comma, and here we have crore. Okay, so 7 crore 52 lakh, it means here we have 52 lakh. 21,000, so here we will write 21,000 and 302, 302. So our answer will be 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now D is 58 million. So 58 million 423,423, 202, 202. Last is 23 lakh. So 23 lakh 30,000, 30,000, 10. Once 100 place is not given, and at the end we have to write 10. Now the third question is insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Okay, we have to put comma and we have to write the number name, okay, according to Indian system. So firstly we have 8759 5762. So we have to leave 1 stands 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000 comma, lakh, 10 lakh comma, crore. Okay, so here we have 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Same we will do. Okay, so here we have to write numbers 8 5 4 6 2 8 3. We will simply call the place values, okay, according to Indian system. So that 1 stands 100 comma, 1000 10,000 comma, lakh 10 lakh. So the number name is 85 lakh 46,283. Okay, its number name you will write by yourself. I already called the number name 85 lakh 46,283. Same, next will be 999 000 46. We will call its place value 1 stands 100 comma, 1000 10,000 comma, lakh 10 lakh comma, and last value, first value which we have, crore. So that the number name is 9 crore 99 lakh 46, because here we don't have any value in the 1000 and 100. Last of this question is 98432701. We will begin with the ones and we will call its place value. 1 stands 100 comma, 1000 10,000 comma, lakh 10 lakh comma, and crore. So we will call the number name as 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Its number name, 3 number name you will write by yourself. Okay, last question of the exercise. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Now we need to follow the international system. First I already done 7892 1092. So firstly we will write the number here and simply we will call its place value. So that 1 stands 100 comma, 1000 10,000 100,000 comma, million 10 million. So that 78,921,000. This whole will call together in the terms of 100. 921,092. Next number is 7452283. So we will begin with the 3. So that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So that we will put comma ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, and here we have million. So that our number name will be 7 million. Okay, then 452 will call together. So it will be 452,000. Okay, 283 will comes at the end. So this will be our number name. Same we will do last two, which is 999, 85102. We have to put commas according to international system. So we will call the place value from the 2. Ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma million, 10 million. So its number name will be 99,985,102. Once again, 99,985,102. Okay, its number name you will write because I called the number name 2 times. याद नहीं आए तो वापस से वीडियो को पीछे करके थोड़ा सा वापस से देखना बेटा. Last of this exercise is 480,498,31. Simply we will begin with the 1 and we will begin the place value. Ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma million, 10 million. So that the number will be 48,049,831. Once again, 48,049,831. Its number name write by yourself. Okay. Now here we completed our exercise 1.1 of class 6th. I hope you understood. Next exercise we will see in the next video. Thank you.